देखो जरा टिका 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 टिका।
The first showers of the southwest monsoon. Rain or fog, Sanjeevani ki gaadi has no time to stop. Crisscrossing the western ghats and negotiating steep and sharp bends. Sanjeevani ki gaadi on the road for a month, going from village to village, covering a distance of over 7,300 kilometers. Network 18 and federal banks vaccine awareness campaign against COVID-19. Sanjeevani, a shot of life, now in the district of Dakshina Kannada in Karnataka.
We have 5 talukas under Dakshin Kannada. We have Mangaluru, that is the headquarters. We have Beltangadi, we have Puttur, we have Bantwala and Sulya, the remotest. So the Sanjeevani van is, the 60 villages are divided in such a way that it touches all the talukas.
At Charmadi in Belthangadi Taluka, a heavy downpour. As a medical team leaves the Panchayat office, a first impression of the pandemic in this hilly region.
Yeah, madam, where are you? Where is your team going now?
Now Kattarigudde, Charmadi village.
Okay, what are you going for?
For COVID-19 swab test.
Okay, how many people are you going to test there?
30 people.
30 COVID-19 tests is a large number for a small town. Coronavirus spread rapidly during the second wave. But what about remote, secluded hamlets? Were they spared at least? It's not even been a month. Padma Shri still in shock. Her mother Sharda Gowda suffered from high blood pressure and had dengue a year ago. Recently, her father got fever but tested negative for COVID-19. In just days, 3 members of the family, including Padma Shri, tested positive. 2 weeks later, her mother lost the battle.
First of all, I never took corona very serious. We are mostly isolated and our most works with the nature. Okay, so our food and everything is with nature. So I thought we are very healthy. My mother is only 51 years old. So I never thought it can come her and it can kill her.
Despite not taking the disease seriously, Mohan, who works in Dubai, had to get vaccinated. But he repents. His family in India chose to wait it out.
When government was suggesting people to take vaccination, if it took it seriously and if I took my mother into vaccination, we could save her today. So we lost our mother because we didn't. That is the only weapon at the moment what we have to defend against corona.
Do you feel regret?
Yeah, of course. We feel regret that we didn't take vaccine before.
Since we lost our mother, we don't want to lose our father also. Since he's 45 plus, we immediately took him to the vaccination.
And that's exactly the key message of the Sanjeevani campaign, shared through pamphlets which have crucial information on vaccination and its benefits. Through short films on the online registration process, motivational messages by campaign ambassador actor Sonu Sood, and a peppy anthem to inspire citizens to vaccinate themselves against COVID-19. And that's not all. Our teams, along with Panchayat members, answer all queries on vaccination. But most importantly, it's the personal touch that makes the difference. Sanjeevani campaigners on the ground clear doubts, dispel myths, and also help people register themselves. Many without any apprehension, keen to protect themselves and their families.
मेरा माँ को 70 ईयर्स हुआ, उसे वैक्सीन 1 डोज करा, अब 2 डोज नहीं आया इधर, एक 10 मिनट आए का बोले, मैं इधर 2 डोज डाल दिया.
But many others insist the deadly coronavirus simply does not exist.
अब्दुल भाई ये बताइए कि आपने और आपके घर वाले ने अब तक क्या वैक्सीन लगाया है?
नहीं.
क्यों नहीं लगाया?
मेरे को ज़रूरत नहीं है.
ज़रूरत क्यों नहीं है आपको?
हमारे बस कुछ भी नहीं, प्रॉब्लम नहीं, इसलिए नहीं लगाया.
लेकिन आपके घर वाले मर गए तो?
नहीं, मर गए तो जाने दो, क्या कर रहे हैं, अल्लाह क्या होता है वो होता है. ये कोरोना के आदमी मर जाता है.
The lack of vaccine awareness and hesitancy a serious problem across the country. Abdul Hamid's wife died of COVID-19 while in the ambulance as she was being taken from Belthangadi to Mangalore. His wife among the 7 people who lost their lives to the pandemic in Charmadi.
ಕೊರೋನಾ ಲಸಿಕೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ, ಅವರು ಆರೋಗ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಇದ್ದರು, ಜ್ವರ ಬಂತು ಇದು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಷ್ಟೇ. ನಮಗೆ ಮಾಹಿತಿ ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ, 40 ವರ್ಷದ ಮುಂಚೆ ಅವ್ರು ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಇಷ್ಟು ಗೊತ್ತಾದಕ್ಕೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ.
We explained to the family the importance of vaccination, its benefits, and the process for registering online. The Sanjeevani team spent 30 minutes counseling them, but the family remained hesitant.
After her mother-in-law died also, like that what we are seeing there, because we are ready to here to help her to get vaccine or anything, but from her side or her family side, they are not showing that urgency that they need vaccine or anything. Still they are not ready to take vaccine.
Harish Poonja from the BJP, a first-time MLA from Belthangadi constituency, was struck by coronavirus in the first wave. He claims hesitancy is only in pockets and now in fact the district needs more vaccines.
हम लोगों को वैक्सीनेशन ज़्यादा आना चाहिए. हमारा गांव का लोग बहुत इंटरेस्टेड है.
कितने महीने में ये वैक्सीन के डोजेज बढ़ जाएंगे? 1-2 महीने में, 2 महीने लगेंगे, कितने महीने लग सकते हैं बढ़ने के लिए?
नहीं, वो अभी क्या वैक्सीनेशन अभी से बढ़ रहा है. शायद 10-15 डेज में वो सब लोगों को लिए पर डे कितना चाहिए उतना सरकार अभी हम लोगों को भेज रहा है.
On the outskirts of Mangalore city in Ambalamogaru town, people from a radius of 10 kilometers throng a local vaccination center. The beneficiaries were counselled and their registration details taken by the Sanjeevani team a few days ago. Many of them, the old and the differently abled, are here to get vaccinated against COVID-19 at this special camp. Ravindra Nayak, a government employee, is here with his son Karthik, who suffers from dwarfism. After registering online, it's time to get vaccinated.
Before this privileged persons were vaccinated, I was very much worried how they will come into the contact and it may affect their life also. Now after vaccination I am very happy, and I think by seeing his face also, he is looking strong after vaccination and he is very happy also.
As his number is announced, it's a huge sigh of relief for Roshan D'Souza, a farmer who suffers from a serious spinal disorder. He wasn't sure when his turn would come to get vaccinated until he met the Sanjeevani team.
ಆ್ಯಕ್ಷನ್ ಒಂದು ಪೋಡೊಂದಿತ್ತೆ ಮನೆ ಎಂಕ ಅಂಗವಿಕಲತ್ತು ಕೊರ್ಪೆ ರಾಜ್ಯ ಮನೆ ಇತ್ತುಂಡು ಅನ್ನ ಸಂಜೀವಿಂದಕ್ಲ ಎಂಕ್ಲೆ ತಿಕ್ಕುಂಡು ಬಾರಿ ಖುಷಿ ಆಂಡಿ ಎಂಕ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಲ್ತೇರೆ ಎಂಕ್ ಸಂಜೀವಿಂದಕ್ಲು ಬರ್ತದೆ ಇಂದು ಪೂರ ಜನಕ್ಕುಲ ದೆತೊನ್ ಪಂದು ಎಂಕ್ ದೆತೊನ್ ಪಂದು ಅಭಿಪ್ರಾಯ ಉಂಡು ದೆತೊನಾಡು ಬಾರಿ ಅಡ್ಡೆ ದೆತೊಂಡ ಎಂದು.
25 kilometers north of Mangalore city, a hall used for religious functions now turned into a vaccination center. Local ASHA workers busy registering hundreds of people, local citizens once again benefiting at a vaccination drive organized by Sanjeevani. 21-year-old Cheryl Lavia, a student in Bangalore, could not avail a slot in the state capital. Back home in Mulki, as Karnataka went into a lockdown, Cheryl nervous before her vaccination. But immediately she is counselled and reassured by the nurse and is finally vaccinated. Strangely, however, her father was not immunized.
You believe that there is, if one is not going out, one is not really taking all the precautions, then this vaccination can be postponed for later.
Yeah, especially I'll take in the letter because I'll be fitness, it will be there. I'm thinking maybe I'll take it in 1 week or 2 weeks.
You are saying he thinks he's immune.
Yeah, he thinks he's immune a little. Yeah.
But what are you been telling him to go and take it as soon as possible? Because immunity and fitness has got nothing to do with getting, getting coronavirus.
Yeah.
You could get it even then.
Yeah, exactly. So I'm just letting him to wait it out, and whenever he wants to do, he will do it.
Similarly, Muhammad Muzammil, an auto rickshaw driver, understands the benefits of vaccination, but wasn't able to convince his parents to join him.
तुम्हारा घर वाले ले रहे हैं कि नहीं ले रहे?
नहीं, उनको पसंद नहीं है.
But there are a lot of people, they are sending a negative messages also. So more than the positive, negative messages are publishing more. They will take that. So the awareness level, what I said already, so they will think, okay, whatever in social media they are getting, that is true.
Dr. Bharat Shetty is the MLA from Mangalore City North, but is also a dentist by profession. He was the first legislator in Karnataka to get infected by COVID-19.
We used to be very careful. Wear masks, wash hands and everything. But the people exposure was so much because we have to go house to house and see to that, cater to people's needs. When I got COVID, the doctor said I have to get admitted. First I was in isolation. Then he said the fever was not coming down. I got admitted.
Donning his hat of a doctor, he assures vaccines have proven to be safe.
First things, all the doctors are safe because they got vaccinated. You don't see doctors dying and nursing staff dying of COVID and all nowadays because they are all vaccinated. Second thing is I have not seen one single patient, I am repeating, not one single patient who has taken the second dose. He has never been admitted in the ICU. So I request everyone, getting vaccinated is very important.
Sixteen channels, 15 languages, 26 states, 1,200 plus reporters, 66.9 crore viewers. India's largest news network, News 18 Network. Sixteen channels, 15 languages, 26 states, 1,200 plus reporters, 66.9 crore viewers. India's largest news network, News 18 Network. Sixteen channels, 15 languages, 26 states, 1,200 plus reporters, 66.9 crore viewers. India's largest news network.
जरा ढिका लगा, जरा ढिका 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 ढिका, हो ये जो ढाल सी
In the interiors, the thirst for vaccine information so great, even heavy showers don't dissuade villagers. And there is an understandable reason behind this. In the first wave, there were 0 coronavirus cases in Kokkada village. Then all 126 cases emerged in the second wave, which also recorded 2 deaths. It's also why everyone here wears masks without any persuasion. The spike in cases pushed vaccination and nearly 1,000 people have got their first dose of the COVID vaccine. That's 25% of all those eligible in the village.
Me and my family took the vaccine, and it's our duty to take the vaccine, and it's the only way to stop the spread of coronavirus by taking vaccine at the earliest possible.
ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ನಮ್ಮ ಗ್ರಾಮಸ್ಥರಿಗೆ ಈ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಒಟ್ಟು ನಮ್ಮ ಗ್ರಾಮಸ್ಥರ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೆ ಇದರ ಮಾಹಿತಿ ಹೋಗಿ ಅವರು ಜಾಗೃತಿಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥ ಒಂದು ಆಶಯದೊಂದಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ ಮತ್ತು ಅವರಿಗೆ ಈ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ 18 ಇವರಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳನ್ನು ಗ್ರಾಮ ಪಂಚಾಯತ್ ವತಿಯಿಂದ ಸಮರ್ಪಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ.
The Sanjeevani campaign is determined to reach the farthest, the remotest of corners. Every voice must be heard. Every doubt must be cleared. And we are here to hear from Babu Kuraga, an Adivasi member of Kokkada village. His story filled with sorrow and loneliness. As per official records, Babu lost his wife to COVID-19 just 2 weeks ago. His life partner of 35 years now gone. But Babu refuses to believe coronavirus was responsible. Moreover, he does not want to get vaccinated.
ಸೌಖ್ಯದಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ಇದು ಸರಿಜಿನಲ್ಲ ಎಂಕ್ಲದ ಸೌಖ್ಯಡಿತ್ತ ಮುಲಾಣಿ ಊಟ ಅದು ಇತ್ತೆಲ್ಲ ಸೌಖ್ಯಡಿಲ್ಲ.
The Sanjeevani team shares with him how vaccination can protect him, and it takes just 20 minutes to change his mind.
Now he is ready to take vaccine. He was understood like why that vaccine is very important.
Oh,
that is what we tried him.
Oh, that's wonderful news. Can you just ask and check with him?
Yeah. ಸರ್ ಈ ರೀತಿ ವ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿನ್ ದೇತಂದ್ರೆ ರೆಡಿ ಅಲ್ಲಾರೆ?
ರೆಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಎಂಕಲ್ನ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ತಂಜಿ 2 ತಿಂಗಳ ಅವಡು ಜನ ಬುಕ್ ದೇತನ್ ಬಂಡ ಎಂಚೋದು ಎಂಕಲ್ನ ಕೊಕ್ಕಡದ ಗ್ರಾಮದ ದೇತನ್ ಬಾಕಿ ವಿದಾಯಗಳ ಬರ್ಫಿಜಿ ಅಂತ.
Just announcing will not help. When we visit house to house and meet them personally, they feel, maybe they feel that they are included.
It's a total lockdown in Karnataka. Shops, schools, universities, eateries and places of worship all shut in Mangalore city, the district headquarters. The roads barricaded. Police at every nook and corner, only permitting movement of vehicles for legitimate reasons. The beaches are empty, the markets are shut, and there are hardly any people or vehicles on the roads. Yes, the lockdown has been well implemented here in Dakshina Kannada, which is why the positivity rate has dropped from 16 to 13%. But there's also been another contributing factor, and that is the onset of the monsoon. For the past several days, it's been raining continuously, which is also forcing people to remain indoors. The health department says till the end of June, of the 17 lakh eligible beneficiaries in Dakshina Kannada, 38% got their first dose, while less than 8% were fully vaccinated. This speed significantly faster than the average rate of vaccination in Karnataka and India. The good news, door-to-door vaccination will start soon.
Those who are severely ill, those who are bedridden, that's there in our district administration's mind. You have to monitor them after vaccination. Observation time will be there, so it will take a lot of time.
Healthcare workers across India are at the forefront of the war against COVID-19. Many have lost their lives. Many others continue to work even when the virus strikes home.
Sir, my condolences, because all of you are Corona warriors, and as you just shared with us, Dr. Rajesh's close relative has just passed away and he has to rush. Again, a senior citizen lost to post-COVID complications.
She was not well. She is post-COVID. She was recovering and suddenly she's
your
my auntie.
Okay. What happened?
She was having diabetic hypertension also. She was positive, but she was discharged. Suddenly she went into some of the diabetic coma, I feel, or some complications of this virus maybe. So today I lost her, so I have to go to, I have to rush to the hospital now.
Our sincere condolences from all our side.
A school converted into a vaccination center. A special drive to immunize against COVID-19 organized by the Sanjeevani Awareness Campaign in the town of Kotekar. Asha and Anganwadi workers are the government's Corona warriors at the front line, and they have worked hard to register specially abled people. And with Sanjeevani's efforts, transport arranged to ferry beneficiaries to the vaccination center.
ಸಂಜೀವಿನಿ ವ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಂದು ಉಂಡು ಬಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯಕರ್ತರು ತಿರುಪಾರು ಅಂಚದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಡೋಸು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಂಡ್ is happy.
No, really I appreciate, because Sanjeevani has provided a lot of assistance and help to organize such camps. Because of this vehicle assistance, the conveyance, the travel assistance, that's important. People, they doesn't want to come. One side it is a lockdown, no vehicle. And here, Anganwadi workers, they have taken the information, they call them, and to their houses, the doorstep, the vehicle had gone, and they bring them with very carefully, they bring them here.
And also after the vaccination, we make sure that we take them back to their villages, which is very important. It is not just to bring them, it is also important to take them back and win their hearts so that we get them for the second dose also. So I feel there is a very good impact under this campaign.
And many here at the camp are suffering from debilitating diseases.
आपके हस्बैंड को क्या बीमारी क्या है यहाँ?
कैंसर का बीमारी है, जीभ का कैंसर।
अच्छा, तो आप क्या पहले से कोशिश कर रहे थे? आपको वैक्सीन लेना था?
लेना था।
इसके फायदे क्या होते हैं? वैक्सीन से फायदा क्या होगा?
कोविड आने से, कोविड आ भी गया तो सेफ हुए थे ना, इसलिए हमने कोशिश किया।
A gradual change also seen on the ground, with members from the Muslim community, especially in urban centers, coming forward to get vaccinated. But for Dakshina Kannada and India to be safe, many more need to trust vaccines and shun myths and misconceptions.
डरते हैं वो लोग।
क्यों डरते हैं?
वैक्सीन से डरते, वो कुछ लोग बोलते हैं वो अच्छा नहीं है, ऐसे बोलते हैं, इसलिए डरते हैं।
तो आज आपने लगवाया है, तो आप उनको अभी जाके वापस क्या कहेंगे?
हम कहेंगे हम भी लगाए, आप भी जाके लगाइए।
और चाचा, आप कैसा महसूस कर रहे हैं? खुश है अभी?
अच्छा है, अभी मैं खुश हूँ। ये हर आदमी को और बच्चा लेके बड़ा लोगों को सब लेना चाहिए, क्योंकि ये अपना ये जान का अपना मामला है। तो हम सिर्फ पूरा ये अपना देश सिर्फ होएगा, ऊपर वाला भी बचाएगा, अपना सरकार भी बचाएगा। जो अपने इधर जो किया, हम उसको धन्यवाद करते हैं।